Every year in Tamil Nadu, for few days, millions of fireflies, they light up the sky. So these are miracles of nature.
Beautiful irukku. See this magic.
And that's why when I see something like that, I'm very sure that, the world needs the kind of resilience which we need to learn from the wild world. Biodiversity conservation and climate change are not separate. It has to go hand in hand. In a government setup, there are a number of responsibilities that you handle. But what is that one important responsibility which should be a legacy? Because of the impact of climate change and the intense heat waves that we are facing now, we have been working with vulnerable communities to reduce the impact of heat. We bring cooling solutions. Basically, what is your maximum capacity of this nursery? You can have more nurseries, na? So can you give me a plan for that?
Yes.
Good. Yeah, so the year 2004 when tsunami hit and Tamil Nadu was badly impacted at that time, I was drafted by the government of Tamil Nadu to support the local community. By the time I reached the district, the place was getting darker. There was an eerie silence, and there was a small girl whose body was being taken out. And that still keeps coming back to me. That still haunts me. And when I got an opportunity and I learnt more and more about it, I read, and I saw that wherever mangroves were, the damage was minimal. Several villages which had the shelter of the bioshield of mangroves, they did not feel the wrath of tsunami that much. That kind of, made you think, rebound and give you hope that look, these are the things if it is done. Simple solutions, nature-based solutions, as we now call nature-based solutions.
ரொம்ப நன்றி நீங்க இந்த வேலை சந்தோஷம் தானே
So, nature is absolutely essential in many ways. It is absolutely essential in cooling down the kind of heat, intense phenomena that we face nowadays.
Man-made environment. The components of environment, natural, land, air, water, nature. So man-made buildings, roads.
We find that when children are studying in their very hot classrooms, it becomes extremely difficult for them and uncomfortable and not also good for their health. And that's the reason that in schools we have started painting the roof with the solar reflective white paint to bring down the temperature by 5 to 8 degrees. And if we are able to implement cooling initiatives effectively, it will help vulnerable communities. And that is what is very important. Helping them cope.
So it should come down by about 3 to 5%.
Yes, ma'am.
No? That's
3 to
what
5
we will. All the best. I don't want to disturb you guys.
You don't have to look to big names to get inspired. For me, my inspiration comes from that fisherwoman, from that anti-poaching watcher, people who stood by me from the local village. My inspiration also comes from those children who look up to you with the blink in their eyes because they are the real champions of this act. We need a 360-degree change. We need a paradigm shift in climate change. And that's why it is important that the resilience that we seek for humans, we have to seek it for the wild world also. You cannot see these two things separately.
Super, don't miss them.
How many cities in India or in the world can boast of a living mangrove ecosystem in the heart of the city? Hundreds and thousands of migratory birds flocking to a city. What a beautiful opportunity for new generation. So you can do things that you are doing in a very routine fashion. How do you make it magical? You make it magical by going beyond what has been asked from you to do. I think that is when you start kind of feeling who you are and how you can actually contribute to this planet. Every fraction of a degree matters.